everyone. We are back with our next video, and today's topic is all about dance etiquette. Today we have Rafael and Renee, Go Dance founder, all the way from Sydney, and they are the pro salsa trainer since 25 years. So 25 years of experience they have. Let's meet the fantastic salsa duo who runs the show. Okay guys, first thing first, salsa is the most famous couple dance in the whole world. That's why we believe that there should be some do's and don'ts about this dance so that couples can take care of while dancing and not to make anyone uncomfortable. So let's get started with Rafael and Renee. Hey Renee, thanks for joining us here, and tell me a bit about yourself, why salsa and how much experience you have, and some do's and don'ts about women.
Okay, fantastic. Thanks for having me. So I've been dancing salsa for about 8 years, salsa and bachata. I danced as a young child, did a bit of jazz dance, but as I got older, found my way back into the dance. Really enjoy the community.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Thank you so much, Renee. How about you, Rafael?
So my name is Rafael. I've been dancing for about 25 years. Coming from a Latin background, dancing's always been a part of my life and something that I carried on into adulthood. And yeah, I really love seeing people come together through dance, meeting new people. You can dance anywhere in the world. It really does create a lot of nice relationships.
Thanks, Rafael. All right, let's get started with the points, do's and don'ts for women. Thanks, Renee.
Excellent. So for the ladies, when you are out enjoying a social dance, there's just a couple of things to be mindful of or to be prepared with. So first thing is jewelry. What's appropriate, what's not. Maybe the thing you wear out to dinner is not the best thing to take to your social dance. So jewelry that's too big, jewelry that's too long and might fly around is not the best option. Keep it simple, keep it small. Second point is responding to someone asking you to dance, and that can be an uncomfortable one. But we make sure that no matter what your answer is, whether you want to accept or decline, we're calm, we're polite, okay? If you don't want to dance, it's fine to say, no thank you, I want to take a break right now. That's completely acceptable. All right, next thing to be mindful of is follow your lead. So if someone asks you to dance, you can still style, you can have fun, but try to follow what your partner's communicating. And that way you can both have fun, you both have a nice harmonious dance. It's something that we try to be mindful of and cultivate in the salsa community. Another good pointer is comfort levels. Sometimes if you're out dancing, you might get a bit of a rough lead, or it might be a bit of a fast song, and you might get a bit sore or feel a bit tired or a bit uncomfortable. It is perfectly okay, even in the middle of a dance, to say, thank you, but I'd like to stop now, or I'd like to sit down, have a rest. And you can communicate why to your partner, or you can simply say, I'd really like to have a break now. Thank you very much. Okay, something to be mindful of. Another thing is to be encouraging and supportive out there. Everyone started as a beginner, so if you have a partner that's giving it their best go, just enjoy the dance. Thank them. If they ask for pointers, give them. Otherwise, no need to help. All right, and the last pointer for the ladies, and the same goes for the men as well, is hygiene. When we're dancing with someone, salsa or bachata, you're quite close. It's really important you make sure that we just practice good hygiene, and that means that take a mint with you, make sure that you've packed some extra deodorant. It gets hot, it gets sweaty, but it just makes everyone a lot more comfortable. And enjoy.
So that was Renee from the women's perspective about some dancing etiquette on the floor and some do's and don'ts. Now comes Rafael, who's going to be pointing out some points from the men's perspective as well. It's Rafael now.
All right, for the guys, it's always best to get some dance classes. Get a couple of lessons under your belt. That way you know what you're doing when you are on the dance floor, and you can lead with confidence instead of force. It's always nice and impressive when a man knows a few extra steps. Once you're on the dance floor, hygiene is super important. So make sure you got some mints, you've freshly showered, and you bring a couple of extra t-shirts, just because you can get sweaty on the dance floor. So having a few extra t-shirts is really handy. And once you are asking someone to dance, it's always nice to approach slowly, big smile on your face, extend your arm, and clearly say, hi, would you like to dance? Nice smile on your face, the extend of the arm gives the lady confidence that you are going to be a respectful dancer and you're minding her space. And once again, Dance lessons, dance lessons, dance lessons. Make sure you get them. That way you know how to hold your partner comfortably, you know how to turn them comfortably, and you make sure that there's no inappropriate holding, touching, or safety concerns when you are dancing with someone. So get yourself to your local dance school. And once you are dancing with someone on the dance floor, make sure you are attentive, keep an eye on what you're doing, look at them, smile, engage, and have a good time. Dancing is a super wonderful skill that we can all learn and use in our day-to-day life. It opens up the doors to lots of people, community, different countries. So get yourself to some dance classes, find your local school, and start today.
So there you have it, my friends. A little bit of etiquette goes a long way with a fun and enjoying dance sessions, especially salsa. And it's always amazing to be everyone around you and dancing and having fun. Thanks to Go Dance Studio and thanks to Rafael and Renee having us on the video and having some good tips and tricks.
All right. Thanks for having us. Just again, we're Go Dance. You can find us on Google and come join us in class.
All the links have been provided in the description below about Go Dance Studio. So what are you waiting for? Let's get some classes with some etiquette and have some fun. Plus, if you have any questions, just comment down below and we'll be happy to respond. So see you in the next one.